Hi guys, this is Shivansh Matham and I have come to a Hero showroom finally after a long time, and this is the Xtreme 200R, the ABS model. Looks very nice. This is the blue color. We also have few more colors. This is the console. Looks very basic. Has almost similar sound as the Xtreme 150. So this motorcycle is, so this is the Hero Xtreme 200R guys. This is the ABS model. This is a 200cc from Hero, yes. Produces the least amount of power and torque in its segment. This produces 18.4 PS and around 70 Newton meters of torque. Power delivery is kind of linear, but there is not so much punch on offer. And on-off throttle transitions are slightly jerkier. It looks like that they have added a K&N filter, but it sounds nice. There's not as much power in the top end of the rev range. However, lower down, this is much better. The only grudge I'm finding against this engine is vibrations. This motorcycle is having very smooth gear shifts. However, vibrations are there in the lower end too, like at around 4,500 RPM. These are very minor bars. It's perfectly fine, to be honest. It is nimble, and I can say that handling of this motorcycle is really nice. It gets 130 section rear tire as well as 100 by 80 section front tire. Gear shifts are very smooth. Clutch is light. So this is the bored out version of the Achiever 150. Front brake is not having so much bite, but it lacks initial bite, but it is rather good once you grab. So it's having good braking performance. I can say definitely not the best. sounds boomy in the top end. Talking about the stability, guys, this is stable, and I can say that gear shifts are very nice on this motorcycle. This handles really well. Only grudge I said earlier was the vibrations. They are there in the top end, and this motorcycle is the cheapest 200cc you can get. It has adequate punch on offer, and you have ABS too for almost 1 lakh rupees. So this is a very nice deal. So this is the test ride. I'm very much convinced about this motorcycle, that this is a very promising product from Hero, and maybe this can be game changer for